have 3 minutes left of today's trade. Let's start winding down for the day and take a look at what today's trading session has been for us. Let's understand what today's moves have been, and Nifty has been quite weak, almost a percent cut coming in on Nifty. 24,700 looking like it's a difficult print to hold on to right now. 3 minutes left. Let's see if we're able to sustain above the 24,700 mark. Similarly for Sensex as well, almost a percent cut coming in. We're now below that 81,300 mark on the Sensex as well. Weakish moves coming in, almost an 800-point cut coming in on an intraday basis on the Sensex spot. Nifty Bank as well in tandem with the benchmarks, a 0.9% cut coming in, significantly below that 55,000 mark that we were hoping to hold on to today, but that's not been possible, and a 500-point cut coming in on Nifty Bank today. Advanced decline ratio very steeply now in the favor of the declines today. That was not the story at opening bell, when you had almost 1,400 stocks in the advances, but now that's completely changed and taken a turn, and 1,900 stocks in the declines as we speak, with 800 in the green. On the back of that, India VIX has continued to change its shape today. A red and green mix is what we've seen. As of now, it has cooled off once again from those 17.5 levels. 17.2 thereabouts is where we are on the India VIX, and cooling off is what we've seen on this front. But what's key to talk about is the broader market today, because no show of strength coming in on that front. In fact, a further cut coming in on the Nifty mid-cap space, a 1.5% downfall on that front. Nifty small cap too, almost 0.8% lower, and 17,500 is the print on Nifty small cap. Let's talk about some sectoral gainers and losers. It's all the sectors have ended in the red today, but it's been a major loss coming in for Nifty auto names. 2% cut coming in across the board for likes of Hero Motor, Bajaj Auto, Maruti, TVS Motor, Eicher and M&M. All of them have tanked around 2% in today's trade. Followed by that, you have Nifty Media, Nifty Pharma, FMCG, Bank. PSU banks have not done all that well either in today's trade. 0.8% lower, led by IOB, Central Bank, Maharashtra Bank, UCO Bank and Bank of Baroda. Nifty Realty, we heard news flow on the Maharashtra housing policy. Still no revival on that front, although the DLF continues to shine on the back of very strong quarter-4 numbers. Nifty Energy too in the red, followed by Nifty Metal and Nifty IT, which is the least losing sector, Nifty IT. But nonetheless, names like Tech Mahindra, Wipro, HCL Tech and TCS have ended with cuts of anywhere between 0.5% and 1%. If we talk about some other stocks that were in focus today, Hindalco, obviously on the back of its earnings, stellar set coming in from Hindalco. Net profits slight miss coming in, but revenue, EBITDA and EBITDA margins were above the street estimate. You have Arvind Fashions on the basis of its numbers. Antique came out with a note on the buy rating maintained, but target price hiked to 672. That stock has also held up pretty smartly, a 1% uptick coming in. BEL, strong set of numbers coming in, and even more positive was the con call highlight, wherein they've expanded the EBITDA margin and hiked it to 27% for FY26 compared to 23 to 25% earlier. That stock has also managed to hold on to the green, albeit it is nominally. Nazara Tech, they've acquired UK-based PC and console gaming publisher Curve Games for 247 crore rupees, and Nazara Tech was also a stock that was in focus in today's trade, a 1.8% uptick coming there. But with that, we're timed out on this edition of Closing Trades. It's a cut coming in across the board. We've ended in the red when it comes to the Nifty, but that's how we're wrapping up for the day. Thanks so much for tuning in.